Sunny. The weather is bright and clear with lots of sunshine. It's sunny today, let's go to the park.
It's sunny today, let's go to the park.
I love sunny days because I can play outside.
I love sunny days because I can play outside.
Sunny. Sunny. Rainy. Water is falling from the sky in drops. Take your umbrella, it's rainy outside.
Take your umbrella, it's rainy outside.
I can't play outside because it's rainy.
I can't play outside because it's rainy.
Rainy. Rainy. Cloudy. The sky is covered with gray or white clouds. It's cloudy but not raining.
It's cloudy but not raining.
The sky is cloudy this morning.
The sky is cloudy this morning.
Cloudy. Cloudy. Windy. Strong wind blowing. Hold your hat, it's very windy.
Hold your hat, it's very windy.
The clothes are dancing on the line because it's windy.
The clothes are dancing on the line because it's windy.
Windy. Windy. Snowy. Snow is falling or ground is covered with snow. Children love snowy days.
Children love snowy days.
The road is snowy, drive carefully.
The road is snowy, drive carefully.
Snowy. Snowy. Foggy. Filled with fog, difficult to see clearly. Drive slowly, it's very foggy this morning.
Drive slowly, it's very foggy this morning.
I can't see the mountain because it's foggy.
I can't see the mountain because it's foggy.
Foggy. Foggy. Stormy. Having strong winds and rain, often with thunder and lightning. Stay inside, it's stormy outside.
Stay inside, it's stormy outside.
The sea is dangerous during stormy weather.
The sea is dangerous during stormy weather.
Stormy. Stormy. Breezy. With a gentle wind blowing. It's a breezy afternoon at the beach.
It's a breezy afternoon at the beach.
The clothes dry quickly on a breezy day.
The clothes dry quickly on a breezy day.
Breezy. Breezy. Hot. Having a high temperature, very warm weather. It's too hot to play outside today.
It's too hot to play outside today.
Please turn on the fan, it's very hot.
Please turn on the fan, it's very hot.
Cold. Having a low temperature, not warm. Put on your coat, it's cold outside.
Put on your coat, it's cold outside.
The water is too cold for swimming.
The water is too cold for swimming.
Warm. Having a comfortable temperature, not hot or cold. I like warm spring days.
I like warm spring days.
The weather is warm and nice today.
The weather is warm and nice today.
Cool. Slightly cold but pleasant temperature. The evening is cool and comfortable.
The evening is cool and comfortable.
Let's take a walk, it's cool outside.
Let's take a walk, it's cool outside.
Wet. Covered or soaked with water or other liquid. The grass is wet from the rain.
The grass is wet from the rain.
Don't forget your boots, the ground is wet.
Don't forget your boots, the ground is wet.
Dry. Having no rain or moisture. We had a dry summer this year.
We had a dry summer this year.
The plants need water because it's very dry.
The plants need water because it's very dry.
Clear. Sky without clouds, bright and transparent. It's a clear day, perfect for flying kites.
It's a clear day, perfect for flying kites.
Look at the stars, the sky is so clear tonight.
Look at the stars, the sky is so clear tonight.
Freezing. Very cold, below the temperature at which water turns to ice. Wear warm clothes, it's freezing today.
Wear warm clothes, it's freezing today.
The lake is frozen because it's freezing outside.
The lake is frozen because it's freezing outside.
Icy. Covered with ice, extremely cold. Be careful, the road is icy this morning.
Be careful, the road is icy this morning.
The windows are icy on such a cold day.
The windows are icy on such a cold day.
Sunshine. Direct light from the sun. Plants grow better in sunshine.
Plants grow better in sunshine.
The sunshine makes me feel happy.
The sunshine makes me feel happy.
Mist. Light fog that makes the air less clear. The hills are covered in mist.
The hills are covered in mist.
There is morning mist over the lake.
There is morning mist over the lake.
Fog. Thick cloud near the ground that is difficult to see through. The airport is closed due to heavy fog.
The airport is closed due to heavy fog.
The fog is so thick I can't see the road.
The fog is so thick I can't see the road.
Breeze. Light and gentle wind. The flowers dance in the spring breeze.
The flowers dance in the spring breeze.
The cool breeze feels nice on a hot day.
The cool breeze feels nice on a hot day.
Thunder. Loud noise in the sky during a storm. The dog is scared of thunder.
The dog is scared of thunder.
I heard thunder, a storm is coming.
I heard thunder, a storm is coming.
Lightning. Bright flash of light in the sky during a storm. The lightning lit up the whole sky.
The lightning lit up the whole sky.
Stay inside when there is lightning.
Stay inside when there is lightning.
Frost. Thin layer of ice formed on cold surfaces. There is frost on the grass this morning.
There is frost on the grass this morning.
Cover the plants to protect them from frost.
Cover the plants to protect them from frost.
Humid. Air containing a lot of water vapor, feels wet. It's very humid today, I feel sticky.
It's very humid today, I feel sticky.
The bathroom is humid after a hot shower.
The bathroom is humid after a hot shower.
Shower. Brief period of rain. The shower only lasted 5 minutes.
The shower only lasted 5 minutes.
Take an umbrella, there might be a shower later.
Take an umbrella, there might be a shower later.
Drizzle. Very light rain with tiny drops. The drizzle made the streets wet.
The drizzle made the streets wet.
It's just a light drizzle, we can still go out.
It's just a light drizzle, we can still go out.
Chilly. Uncomfortably cold but not freezing. The morning air is chilly in autumn.
The morning air is chilly in autumn.
Put on a sweater if you feel chilly.
Put on a sweater if you feel chilly.
Mild. Weather that is neither too hot nor too cold. It's a mild spring day.
It's a mild spring day.
The winter has been quite mild this year.
The winter has been quite mild this year.
Overcast. Sky completely covered with clouds. It's an overcast but warm day.
It's an overcast but warm day.
The sky is overcast, it might rain.
The sky is overcast, it might rain.
Hail. Small balls of ice falling from the sky. The hail damaged the car's roof.
The hail damaged the car's roof.
Run inside, it's starting to hail.
Run inside, it's starting to hail.
Snowstorm. Heavy snow with strong winds. Stay home during the snowstorm.
Stay home during the snowstorm.
Schools are closed due to the snowstorm.
Schools are closed due to the snowstorm.
Heatwave. Very hot weather for many days. The heatwave lasted for a week.
The heatwave lasted for a week.
Drink plenty of water during the heatwave.
Drink plenty of water during the heatwave.
Sleet. Mix of rain and snow. The sleet made the road slippery.
The sleet made the road slippery.
Wear warm clothes in the sleet.
Wear warm clothes in the sleet.
Downpour. Very heavy rain. The downpour flooded some streets.
The downpour flooded some streets.
We got soaked in the sudden downpour.
We got soaked in the sudden downpour.
Rainbow. Colorful arch in the sky after rain. Look, there's a beautiful rainbow.
Look, there's a beautiful rainbow.
We can see a rainbow after the rain stops.
We can see a rainbow after the rain stops.
Drought. Long period without rain. We must save water during the drought.
We must save water during the drought.
The plants are dying because of the drought.
The plants are dying because of the drought.
Gale. Very strong wind. The gale blew down some trees.
The gale blew down some trees.
Ships stay in port during the gale.
Ships stay in port during the gale.
Muggy. Hot and humid weather that feels uncomfortable. The muggy weather makes me feel tired.
The muggy weather makes me feel tired.
It's so muggy today, I need air conditioning.
It's so muggy today, I need air conditioning.